Hi folks, Teresa here again at Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you this great little 24-foot Solera with the Freightliner chassis. It's really cute, very nicely equipped, and I'm looking forward to taking a look at it with you. Come on in. As you can see, walking in, you've got some great storage space and living space just in this little 24-foot Class C. It's awesome. And with the slide in the dinette and your storage right here, it really gives you some room to move around, get your things put away, and nobody's in the way on the way to the bathroom. You could still work in the kitchen on a rainy day and have plenty of room for 3 or 4 or more people to move around. Porcelain toilet, very nicely equipped. A bathtub with extra head space and good elbow space. You've got the corner bed system, which also keeps it roomy in here. Lots of living space and privacy if needed, with a little curtain right here. Your 2-door refrigerator, freezer, and regular. These are spacers so that these stay open when you're not using them, and then you can take those off and close them up like it should be. 3-burner stove, microwave, and a nice little fairly deep sink for the size unit that this is. You've got enough sleeping space here for at least 6 people, and the driving deck is very comfortable. Lots of room. It's a step-down entry, but your leg room is enormous because being this Freightliner chassis, you don't have that doghouse here like you would with a regular engine. Come on outside and we'll take a look at some of that storage space that we have in here. That's your 3600 Onan Cummins generator. You're going to have a 30 amp cord with this guy. This is what you have for storage. As you can see, we just got this in, but they did make ample use of the storage in this unit. Access to the roof with a nice ladder going up there. And this one is the other entry to your storage space. Just a huge amount of storage. It's a great little unit. Very new to us, but I don't think that this will be lasting us very long. All of your working stations. Access to your diesel at the door, so when your door's shut, that's locked up for you. If you'd like more information on this, please come see me at the information below. Again, Teresa.Plett here at Guaranty RV. Thank you for coming and taking a look. Bye-bye.